Okay, let's just kind of review what we were doing with the chess piece. Okay, here's a cylinder, right? As said, I'm just going to scale this larger. So you see, I'm just going to go up like that and leave it here. You can watch this if you want as a review. Good morning to you, sir. Okay, so here it is. Okay, I have a cylinder here, tab, and the most important thing I said to you guys in the past was for the chess piece, you need to make loop cuts, and there it is. If I'm not in edit mode, I can't do it. If you wanted to make 3 loop cuts at one time, you have to open this and then just type in 3. Otherwise, you'll have to make them individually yourself, okay? So I'm going to tab out. All right, there it is. This is what I have so far. All right, let's review on how to select this loop, okay? So tab, select it, tab to get into edit mode, okay? So, wait a minute, get out of cut tool right away, my friend. Okay, click out. So you see now I want to select this loop here. If I go shift one by one, it would take me forever, right? So it's the same thing. Hold option, left click, there's my loop. If I press S now, I can control it, right? Option left click here, boom, and then move my mouse away, get the spider web out, S, out, and so forth, right? All right, that's review. Tab out. I said tab, and I gotta switch this extended keyboard here. I'm gonna select it so I can move it. I'm gonna go to Shift A, and I'm gonna go Shift A, mesh, let's go cylinder again. Okay, this is important. So let's go in here and crank the height to 5, whatever, okay? Pardon me. So here, I'm gonna do a couple of loop cuts and I'm just gonna extrude on this so that you can see how simple this is, okay? So I gotta get under the hood by pressing edit, which is tab, object, edit. Gonna cut in here, I'm gonna put a cut and another cut there, another cut here, and let's do another one here, another one there, and just leave right away. All right, I want this loop and this loop here of faces to come out. All right, so we know it's extrude. So before we go to extrude, we need to go to face. Okay, hold option down, left click between the two faces, and look what beautiful this is. Review one more time. When you go to extrude, it's this first one. It's not gonna work. So we come over here and we go to the extrude along normals and then left click and here it goes like that. Okay. This could be the handle for your sword, could be a handle for something. Okay, option left click and then out. All right, so that's the extrude along the normals and there it is. So now I'm going to select a face here. This is the last one. Instead of doing extrude, we're going to go to inset, okay? So this is how you made your chess piece, right? Your rook, which is the tower. So again, like, look, guys, get out of that mode. If I hold option, I can now get another loop this way. As long as you see where this crosshair is? Right here in between the two, right? Click out, watch this. Option, left click, it loops, right? First thing you did for the chess piece is select those faces, and you went to extrude. So I just type in E now, and let's go out. Okay, you did something like that. That's it right there. So I'm going to tab out, select this one for example, and let's say this is some kind of a jar in your work, right? In your game's asset. What are the game assets you're creating? Tab, face mode, select it, make an inset. Where's inset? Oh, somewhere here. Good. Left click, in, right? Now you can come in here and get out of it. You can just press E for extrude and watch this. E, inwards, right? Watch, inwards, oops. So what I could do is I could go inwards all the way down here. Look, I'm really exaggerating here. Watch, look, where is it? Somewhere down there? Now I can do my scale, right? I can scale this and basically taper it in. So if I go S for scale, in, right, like that, and then I'll just move it up like that. So now I've made that inside part, okay? You see how nice that is. Okay, I'm going to tab out, and I'm going to shut down here. This is a good review. Enjoy it, okay? We'll go here, Balian out. Thank you. Stop recording.